my great honor and privilege to formally declare the Regional Press Conference and the Regional Festival of Talents 2026 officially open.
Cordillerans, welcome to the Regional Festival of Talents and Schools Press Conference 2026. Walong schools division iti sidong ti Rehiyon Cordillera, tinagtitipon iti probinsya ti ABRA para titinawen na pasalip ti Department of Education a Regional Festival of Talents ken Regional Schools Press Conference. Ti RSPC ket Journalism Competition para kadagiti campus journalist, idinto a pasalip amang bida ti skills, creativity, innovation ken vocational talents ti sentro ti Festival of Talents ang nakipartisiparan dagiti learners manipod elementarya aging sekundarya. Gagem ti aktibidad ang ma-develop ti journalism ken communication skills ken ma-highlight ti talento dagiti learners. Nairugi ti programa, babaen iti panagparada dagiti learners, teachers ken DepEd officials. Nasurok o patagasot ti delegasyon kada division ken sipot iti kalman narugyanan ti kompetisyon iti babaen ti RSPC.
The RSPC highlights the power of responsible journalism, giving our students, writers, and campus journalists the opportunity to inform, inspire, and uphold the truth through their words. The RFOT celebrates the diverse talents of our learners in various fields such as arts, culture, communication, and technical skills.
15 a kategorya ti paglalabanan iti RSPC, idinto 16 a kategorya ti RFOT.
On America's Cocoa Guaf in the BNP Paribas Open.
Good afternoon, ABRA.
Today is Wednesday, March 11, 2026.
Patya ni DSWD Undersecretary Denise Florence Bernos Bragas nga iti aktibidad ket saan lang nga amang molde kadagiti estudyante ngem ket di mangpataw ti natulnog ken compassionate leaders.
I deeply believe that investing in our youth is the most powerful form of nation building. Through journalism, our learners learn to speak the truth with courage and responsibility. Through the arts and performance, they express identity, culture, and dreams.
In patengmet da Kong JB, Kong Ching ken Governor Takit Bersamin itagtultuloy a suportada kadagiti programa iti beneg ti edukasyon ken mamati da adakkel ti kontribusyon dagiti agtutubo ng runa itaapanawen ti moderno a teknolohiya.
As young journalists, you have the power to turn this change into opportunity. You should be open for adaptability and innovations due to this evolving trend, especially in technology. Do not focus on the traditional parameters. It should be beyond traditional excellence. Embrace new tools to tell stories that matter. Your voices, talents, and innovations are the foundation of progress.
The Regional Festival of Talents and the Regional Schools Press Conference represent something deeper than competition. They represent the power of young minds to shape society.
Mangnamnama ti DepEd at ti aktibidad ket saan lang a kompetisyon ngem ket di agari ti humility, sportsmanship, disiplina ken respeto. Dagiti mangabang iti pasalip ti mangibagi ti Rehiyon Cordillera iti National Schools Press Conference ken Festival of Talents. Aglepas ken maangay ti awarding ceremony inton malem no bigat. Jessica Boreta, Balitang Solid no?